Hello everyone, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. Tests for divisibility. Divisibility by 10. Observe the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. And observe some of the non-multiples of 10. 11, 25, 49, 99, 123 and so on. From this list, we can notice if one's place is 0, then a given number is divisible by 10. If one's place is not 0 of a given number, then a given number is not divisible by 10. We know this, but why this works? Now let us see why this works. A number could be represented as, any number could be represented as A, 1 time A, 10 time B, 100 times C and so on. A is at 1's place, B is at 10's place, C is at 100's place and so on. 10's place is divisible by 10. 10 ones, 10 ones. 100 place is divisible by 10. 10 ones, 10 times. Even 1000's place is divisible by 10. And the pattern follows. Every other digit is divisible by 10 except for 1's place. We need to check whether 1's place is divisible by 10. If 1's place is divisible by 10, then the whole number is divisible by 10. For what number this unit place is divisible by 10? We have 0 to 9. Which number is divisible by 10? 1 is not divisible by 10, 2 is not divisible by 10, 3 is not divisible by 10. Which number is divisible by 10? 0 is divisible by 10. This is only possible when A is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, that is unit place is equal to 0, then a given number is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 5. We know that any number could be represented in this form. 1 time A, 10 times B, 100 times C and so on. Since 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and all other numbers are divisible by 10 so far, which in turn are divisible by 5, because 5 is a factor of 10. Any number which is divisible by 10 is also divisible by 5. So we need to check whether unit place is 0 or 5. Divisibility by 2. Any number could be represented in this fashion. In a tens place, a number is divisible by 2. 2 1, 2 5 times. 100 by 2. 2 1 time, 2 50 times. We need to check only for unit place of a number. If unit place is divisible by 2, then a given number is divisible by 2. This is only possible when A is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisibility by 9 and 3. Now let us take an example. 3573. Is 3573 is divisible by 3 or 9? Now let us check the divisibility for 9. We already saw this in the previous classes. We add individual places. We will add unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place and so on. After adding these individual digits, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3, the sum is 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? 18 ones, 9 one time, 18 two times. Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. If a given number is divisible by 9, of course that number is also divisible by 3, because 3 is a factor of 9. But why this works? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits, individual digits, is divisible by 9. If the sum of the individual digits is divisible by 9. Otherwise, a given number is not divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 9, of course it is divisible by 3. For any number we can represent a number as in this fashion. For 3-digit number A, B, C, we represent it as 1 time A, 10 time B and 100 time C. Because A is in 1's place, B is in 10's place and C is in 100's place. 100 could be written as 99 plus 1, right? 10 could be written as 9 plus 1. Similarly, 99C plus 1 times C is equal to 100C. We are just regrouping the numbers. We are not changing any equality. 9B plus B is equal to 10B. And we are remaining with A, right, as it is. This and this are equivalent. Now let us take 9 as common. 9, 11 times. 11 times C plus 1 time B. 9 times 11 is equal to 99C. 9 times 11C is equal to 99C plus 9 times B is equals to 9 times B is equal to 9B. Write remaining numbers as it is. Notice this group. This number is divisible by 9. 9 one time, 9 one time. We only need to check divisibility for remaining numbers, whether this group is divisible by 9 or not. What is A plus B plus C? These are the individual digits of a number. CBA. Notice we are just adding the individual digits A plus B plus C. To check whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not, we just need to add numbers and divide by 9. If it is divisible by 9, then a given number is divisible by 9. Let us see an example. Check the divisibility of this number by 9. If we follow a conventional long division method, it will take significant time. So we can use the trick that we proved here. Add the individual digits of a given number. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 36. Sum of individual digits is equal to 36. Is 36 divisible by 9? 9 one time, 9 4 times. Yes. Sum of individual digits divided by 9 is divisible. So we can conclude that a given number is divisible by 9. If it is divisible by 9, implies it is also divisible by 3. A given number is also divisible by 3. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.